Alright everybody, we are now walking to Tropicana in Laughlin. It is about 116 degrees. There we go. And I'm walking from casino to casino today, doing walkthroughs. So, oh my gosh. Just like a heater. The wind is on too. The wind is on. The wind is blowing and it is hot. Oh, snaps. All right. Oh, it's big in here. Nice. Yeah. Let's go do a walkthrough. Go clockwise. All right, here we go. Whew. Sorry for my breathing. I am hot and pacing and sweating. Whew. The bar in the middle. Oh, I missed this. Ooh. It's a pretty big casino. A Bruise Brothers Tap House right here. Oh, the sports book is here too. This is a Caesars property. Tropicana. So this is the non-smoking section. Non-smoking section. It looks like all the old games are on the left, well, on the outside. Newer games in the middle. And let's just see how the non-smoking section is. I'm gonna walk around and see what games they have here. More copyright music. There's your bingo room over here. They call it Trop Bingo. Oh my gosh. I'm sweating. Look at these games. In Inferno. Whoa, 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 whoa. This thing is yelling at me. I'm gonna go on the outskirts so you can see the games. We got some old buffaloes here too. Of course, old buffaloes everywhere. What am I saying? Yeah, man. That's weird. You guys sitting over here smoking. Thought this was the no smoke. Oh, yeah, well, I guess they're smoking here. Yeah. What is this up here? They are going to. Is that a restaurant? Huh. Okay.
I don't want a burger. Smack it, smack it.
Yeah, there's a restaurant up there. Oh, cool. So that's where I entered in. Well, I came from that way. So I am going to. Oh, I gotta let you guys know. This game right here is really fun. I put in $100 and I had put in. I played a $1.60 bet, and I cashed out like $2.20. I played this at Hard Rock, Sacramento. Try it out. I gotta play some new games and record them for everybody to see. Since nobody likes watching me play bubble craps or tag team bubble craps, it's too boring. Okay. They have Promenade Tower shopping. They have shopping here, huh? Huh, interesting. Wonder what kind of shopping they have. Oh, maybe I'll walk over there after. It's a whole shopping area. We will see. The Tropicana Hotel, it looks big from the street, so this place is probably be a lot bigger. I'm assuming. No, the casino looks bigger. Uh, yeah. Whew. Keep sighing because I'm hot and I'm still sweating, walking from casino to casino. It's a- oh my gosh. The things I do to make videos. You should see how this camera is mounted too. I'm not using a GoPro, I'm using a Insta360 Go 3. And it's actually very small and mounted on the bottom of a Starbucks cup. So I'm holding a Starbucks cup. I'm walking around, and when there's security, I get on my phone and pretend I'm talking on my phone so they don't bother me. It works. It works. It's kind of had some security look at me sometime and one time, and they're like trying to say something, but I'm like, I'm on the phone. Wow. So this is the hotel entrance, I guess. Let's check in. Well, and I guess the reason why I'm using this camera now is because it's easier to hold. It's more inconspicuous, but in my opinion, the quality is not as good as the GoPro. It's not as crisp and clear, but the good thing about this one is that when I pan and move left to right, it doesn't shake. It's not jittery. I don't know if I have the setting wrong on GoPro or what, but it's shaky. Anyways, I don't know if you want to know that. I don't know if anybody cares. I'm just talking so no security walked up to me. Table games in the middle. And they got bubble craps over there. What's the minimum? I don't know. I'm gonna go take a look in a bit, but let's walk over here first. Dragon Race. What is this? Selection. I've never really paid attention to this before, but I guess you have a bunch of games that you could play. Yeah. I don't pay attention to a lot of slot machines. I don't know why. Just my game of choices, bubble craps, but I've been on a bad losing streak. Buffalo. Oh no. Oh, they got an in and out across the street. That's good to know. So there's a hotel check-in again. And now I'm gonna walk back over by the bubble craps area, and I think that's all of the casino. Yeah.
There, you didn't push it in all the way.
No, I did.
So we could have stayed here or Harrah's, and they gave us free flights and free hotel. And we decided to stay at Harrah's, which is all the way at the end of Laughlin. Hey, look at that, nice. Look at it. We like seeing people win on that. It's funny when we're playing Dragon Link and someone almost gets like 6 balls. We root for them. I don't know. It's funny. Okay, here we go. Here's my favorite machine. I wonder what the minimum is. Let me see here. Minimum is still $3, just like at Harrah's. Yeah. Well, that's your casino walkthrough, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Join me on my next casino walkthrough. Oh, what's this? Look at this. This is live craps. It's a smaller table. Cool. See that smaller table? Wow. Interblock has a live rolling craps. It's like stadium craps. That is cool. All right, everybody. Thank you for tuning in.